Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to export many clips from a single one using Camtasia Studio. This will help you save time and increase your productivity when creating your content on your YouTube video. So keep watching. Hi, my name is Frank, and on this channel I'm going to share tips, tool and tutorial to help you build and scale your business online. So be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button below. In today's video, the trick I'm going to show you will help anyone creating like a compilation video. So you can load a 2-hour video on your timeline and export as many clips as you want. So let's start. We are going to use Camtasia Studio, this one. So to make this possible, we will use a Camtasia Studio, and it's a software that allow you to record your computer screen and edit it. So you can use to make a tutorial, product demo and animation, and it's full of effect also. So it's the one I'm using right now to make this tutorial for you. You will find a link in the description below for the software I'm using now, and by the way, they will offer you a 30-day free trial of the software, so you can use full free for 30 days, no condition. Back to the tutorial. So we are going to insert a video on this timeline here. So let's start. Okay, this is already a video here, so let me just show you how you can do it. You just go to plus here and import the media. So you can select through numerous media you have on your computer. So let's drag this to the timeline. So you can see as I insert the media to the timeline and it go across this bar. So if you want to work with the media, you have to be scrolling this bar to see the end. So just come here and click on the lens here, so it will make it fit to your screen. This is one of the best tool I like in Camtasia. This video is 2 minutes 50 seconds, so I would like to export, let's say 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. So I can just scroll to this timeline here where it said 1 minute. You can just look the time here. This is the time here, 1 minute. Okay, 59, 1 minute. And also I want to export another 1 minute here, and the remaining one I want to make it 5 seconds. You can customize each part of the video. So as is here, let's say you first select the file first. When you select the file, then you can cut here. We just divide. So this 1 minute, I will go up to another minute. That is about 2, yes, here like this. Okay, I will just select again, make sure you select the file, and it just cut at the same position. So I want to add some transition there so you can see it will make some difference. So let's go to fade. I will take this fade through black. It goes here. And by the way, if like you want to extend this and it's it's too small for you to grab, you just use this one to stretch the timeline. See, when it's stretched, then you can easily extend as you want, as you wish. So if you go here, I can extend it here. First video we finish here, second we start there, and the same for this one. So after you stretch the timeline, just always press this one or Ctrl+Shift+7, it will bring it back all together. So you go back here and you can also do the same. You can add more. Okay, and back. Okay, so we have a video set. We have 1, video 2, and 3 that we can export right now. So this is where the trick is. To do this, you will just activate this marker. This is it. So you will work on this little place like this. You see, it's going like this. You just go where you want your video, where you want to the end. Like this, the first video, it will end here. So this is the position I want it to cut the video. I'll make a marker there. And secondly, this another position where I want the video. So this 1 video, 2, and 3 video already set to be exported. Another way to place your marker. So let's wind back. You can drag the player head right to the position where you want to place your marker. You see, right to the position. Like if it's here, you want it to cut exactly here, like this place. Then when you activate your marker, you go, you will see when you are near the marker, when you are near the player head, the marker will just snap like a magnet. You see, it will just match. Then you just click there. So let's use it here in this position, and you see when you are near, it will just make a snap, and you click, you drag the player head on the position you want, and snap. Okay, so all is set. We have 1 video, 2, 3 video to export. So when you are finished with your marker and you are editing and everything, you just go and click export, local file, and you use the custom production. Go to next, mp4, go to next, you go to video setting, and make sure to select multiple file based on markers. This is multiple file based of markers, and then you go to next. And if you want to add the watermark of on your video, you can add it direct, and if not, just click next. And you see those are the files. These files 1, 2, 3. You go to next, you will see project 0, 1, 2. Okay, so let's export everything. You just sometimes you will see it will organize product file into subfolder. So each video, they will create 1 folder for the video. Like video 1 will be in 1 folder, video 2 in 1 folder, video 3 in 1 folder. So I always untick this, so they put everything in the same folder. I will put this one on the desktop so I can get a quick access. Let me create a new folder on the desktop. Finish, and let export. We'll fast forward this part. Okay, when the rendering of video is done, they will show you how the result here like this. So you just click on finish, and let's go and check test tutorial, and you see we have 3 video. This first one, you see your face, yes, and second one we start. Let me just load everything on the timeline. You see this second one start where the other one finish, and let's go forward. This one finish here, and the third part of the video like this. Okay, we have successfully export all. So when you are making your editing, like here, you want to like put some engagement. Let's go to library, asking people to subscribe. You have like YouTube subscribe button. This already create. And by the way, I will make another video showing you how to do this. So you see, this is the subscribe button, and you can go also. There's another one. You just need to put, so just make each video individual. You see, this another button. See, those are the call to action you want to put on your video to ask people to subscribe. So this part you put, the other part you put. So that's all for this tutorial and the little trick I wanted to share with you today, and I hope it will help you save more time in your video production. And if you have any question about anything I mentioned in this video, feel free to leave a comment below, and I will reply to you, or go to our website. You can go to our website, digitalopening.com. So this is our website. You can go here and you go to the forum, and you ask any question there. This is what I wanted to show you, and if you like the video, by all means give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get the latest tips and tutorial to help you build and scale your business. If you want to create this copyright free like button, just watch the next video that will pop up here. Just watch it. It will show you how to create all this button and keep it in your software, so you can easily use them all the time you want for your video. So see you on the next video.